One of the lesser-known features of Word is that it allows you to create a document for one page size and scale the output to fit on a different page size. It's easy to do using the printing options provided by Word. It's not unusual to work on a document for hours. You may create one that's 35 pages long and it's designed to be printed on legal-size paper. You decide to print the document and discover that you're out of legal paper. What do you do if you can't get any legal paper right away? Well, you could reformat the document for letter-size paper, but that may not be the best solution. Fortunately, Word provides a feature that allows you to independently specify a target paper size and an output paper size. This means that you can format something for legal size, but instruct Word to scale the output so it will fit on letter size. This is very similar to a reduction setting on a copier. To take advantage of this feature, load the document that you want to print, like the one we have on the screen here, and then press Ctrl-P. That displays the back office area of Word with all the print settings visible. The bottom control on this screen is one that allows you to specify how many pages should be printed per sheet of paper. If you click on this control, well, then you can see how many pages per sheet, but notice the very bottom option here. It says Scale to Paper Size. If I hover over that, well, then I can see a whole bunch of different paper sizes that I could use for my output. Since my document is in legal size and I want to print on letter size, all I have to do is choose letter right up here, and then I would go ahead and click on the print button to print the document on that letter size paper. Depending on the paper size of your original document and the paper size you specified for your output, Word adjusts the scaling of the document the proper amount to fit on the printout. The scaling is for generating the current printout, which means that the next time you print, Word assumes that the output page size is the same as the layout page size. Well, I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.